Module 7. Dispatching the truck. The step-by-step system of professional dispatching. Dispatching is more than finding loads. It is execution. It is coordination. It is communication. And it is problem-solving in real time. This is the module where the job actually happens. From the moment you secure a load, to the moment the driver gets paid. If modules 1 through 6 built your foundation, module 7 builds your skill set. A strong dispatcher is reliable, trusted, in demand, and profitable. A weak dispatcher loses carriers quickly. In this module, you will learn a complete, repeatable system for dispatching a truck the professional way. Every single day. Section 7.1. Securing the load. Once a broker agrees to your rate, the clock starts. Speed matters. Accuracy matters. Professionalism matters. First, confirm all load details. Confirm the pickup location. Confirm the delivery location. Confirm the dates and times. Confirm the weight. Confirm the commodity. Confirm the load type. And confirm any special instructions. Next, complete the carrier packet. This usually includes the MC authority, the W-9, insurance, factoring information, and driver and truck details. After that, the broker sends the rate confirmation. This document is the contract. Always review it carefully. Check the rate. Check the dates. Check the addresses. Review detention and layover policies. Look for hidden fees or unclear language. Only after everything is correct do you send the rate confirmation to the driver. If the load is not secured correctly, the dispatch cannot succeed. Section 7.2. Sending dispatch instructions. Clear instructions reduce mistakes. Unclear instructions create problems. Every dispatch message must be clean, complete, and easy to understand. Always include pickup information. The shipper name. The complete pickup address. The pickup time or appointment window. And all reference numbers. Next, include delivery information. The receiver name. The delivery address. The delivery time. And any special instructions. Then include load details. The weight. The commodity. The load type. And any equipment required. Next, give the driver clear instructions. What to say at check-in. Who to contact. What documents to get. And any special requirements. Always attach the rate confirmation. Include maps or directions if needed. Before moving forward, confirm understanding. Ask the driver to acknowledge the instructions. A professional dispatcher never assumes. They verify everything. Section 7.3. The check call system. Communication keeps the load under control. Check calls are not optional. They are required. First is the pre-pickup call. 1 to 2 hours before pickup, confirm the driver is en route. Confirm the ETA. Confirm the address. Confirm the pickup number. Second is the at-pickup call. The driver checks in. They confirm they are being loaded. Third is the loaded and rolling call. Verify the seal number. Verify the weight. Confirm the load is secure. Request a photo of the bill of lading if possible. Fourth are mid-transit checks. Ask for location updates. Confirm the ETA. Check for traffic or weather issues. Fifth is the day before delivery check. Confirm the receiver address. Confirm the delivery time. Confirm the driver's plan. Sixth is the delivery check. The driver checks in at the receiver. They confirm unloading. They obtain the signed proof of delivery. Seventh is the final call. Confirm paperwork is complete. Submit documents. Close out the load. Organized dispatchers always know the status of the load. Section 7.4. Handling problems like a professional. Problems are part of trucking. Your job is not to panic. Your job is to lead. If there is a pickup delay, call the broker. Get updated instructions. Confirm detention policy. Communicate clearly with the driver. If the driver is running late, notify the broker immediately. Get a new delivery window. Avoid surprises. If there is a breakdown, keep the broker informed. Provide updates. Arrange roadside service if needed. If there is a wrong address, verify with the broker. Send updated directions. If the driver does not have a proof of delivery, call the receiver. Request an emailed copy. Professional dispatchers solve problems. They do not create them. Section 7.5. Paperwork and getting paid. After delivery, paperwork becomes the priority. Required documents include the rate confirmation, the bill of lading, the proof of delivery, and any lumper or detention receipts. Submit paperwork immediately. Delays cause frustration. Organization builds trust. Factoring companies pay fast only when paperwork is complete and accurate. An organized dispatcher gets drivers paid quickly. Section 7.6. The professional dispatcher's role. Dispatchers are leaders. You lead communication. You lead coordination. You lead problem solving. A professional dispatcher responds quickly, stays organized, speaks clearly, keeps drivers calm, and keeps brokers informed. Your voice, your composure, and your consistency build your reputation. You are not just moving freight. You are managing the entire operation. Dispatching starts after the load is booked. Clear instructions prevent mistakes. Check calls maintain control. Professionalism solves problems. Organization gets drivers paid. You are not just a dispatcher. You are a logistics leader. In the next module, we move into back-office operations, billing, and factoring. This is Solidwood Services. And we are building the next generation of professional dispatchers.